Suno produces great music, but is it truly a perfect master? Today, we're diving into the arts of audio mixing and mastering. We'll uncover what it takes to make a track truly shine from a professional audio engineer's perspective. In the world of professional audio production, no song or mix feels complete without proper mastering. It's the secret sauce that transforms a good track into an incredible listening experience. But how does Suno measure up? When you compare Suno's sound to professional tracks, there's a noticeable difference. It often sounds softer, lacks that punchy clarity, and feels less polished. A big reason for this is the 128 kilobytes export quality, which works for platforms like YouTube but falls short for serious audio production. So, can we fix this? Absolutely. Getting a great mix and masterister isn't just about making it louder, it's about balancing, improving, and refining. By breaking the track into stems, addressing its dynamics, EQ, and stereo image will give it the quality treatment it deserves. Let's load up Suno and create our music.
Concrete jungle never. Electric chaos in the air. Can you feel it? Do you care? Lost in night's endless glow.
Load FL Studio. Drag in your audio. Click on the top left corner wave symbol and select Extract Stems from Sample. Now wait for it to separate them to stems. This is how mix engineers master audio. Now let's link them up to separate mixer channels.
Seed lines flicker fast, voices shouting from the past. Concrete jungle never sleeps, dreams are buried 6 feet.
Now let's load the drum track and improve the track with SSL Drum Strip VST. To increase the transient of the drum, meaning making it more punchy, next, for vocal, you can use EQ or also apply a reverb for a more lush sound, depending on the genre of the music. We will use UAD-LA2A compressor to lightly compress. This is an expensive hardware plugin that will add harmonics and sweeten your tracks, because this plugin are hardware emulation plugins. More on the subject on next video.
Where we came from, none would know. Fires in the cold, young hearts feeling old, chasing shadows, chasing highs, living under broken skies.
Sometimes the song hits above ZODB, which is a bad distortion in a digital production. It caused distortion, but we will put a limiter later on. For now, let's balance it all by starting with the drums, because it is one of the most important instrument that drives music. Make the drum peak around 6 dB. Do not worry about the low volume for now. On the bass channel, load a low lifter VST plugin and adjust it till you hear a small difference. If you can really hear the difference, it is too much. Back out a little. We will then add a tape plugin from UAD, which adds a thick, warm body to any sound that passed through. We will adjust it not to hit beyond ZODB, or it will distort the sound. We will send it to a free VST reverb called Clouds for a lush sound. Make the reverb sound behind the vocal and don't wash it out like he is singing inside it.
Raging fires in the cold, young hearts feeling old, chasing shadows, chasing highs, living under broken skies.
For other instruments, use a stereo shaper to widen the image for a more stereo sound. After all the adjustment, the volume has changed. Sometimes the song hits above ZooDB, which is a bad distortion in a digital production. Do not worry about the low volume for now. What we want is a balanced mix, not a loud mix for now. Then push up all the tracks and balance them one by one. Now let's put a mastering limiter on the master track. This will limit the audio and make the loudness standard for commercial production. Check the RMS level. For a commercial loudness, around 6 to 10 is your target. Every genre has its specific standard, but we are going for general loudness. Add span VST and check the overall frequency. It should look almost in a flat line, or decreasing on the right side, which is a soft roll-off on the high-frequency side. If it rolls up, then your mix has issues. Export the audio in MP3 320 kilobytes for Spotify. After a few careful adjustments, we've transformed a basic track into something polished and ready to publish. Suno rendered music just got a professional upgrade.
Can you feel it? Do you care? Lost in nights and
You can A/B compare the Suno export and your mastered track.
seed lines flicker fast, voices shouting from the past. Concrete jungle never sleeps, dreams are buried 6 feet deep. Neon signs and shattered glass, every soul has a dark past. Broken promises on cracked streets, echoes of our lost beats. Electric chaos in the air. Can you feel it? Do you care? Lost in night's endless glow. Where we came from, none would know.
If you did it right, your mix will now sound better and more loud. There are plenty of free tools available that make audio mixing and mastering more accessible than ever. They help you automate and perfect your sound with ease. And in the next video, we'll dive into free tools only to take audio quality even further. Don't miss out, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials to perfect your sound.